we're going to do the unboxing of this bird feeder with a camera. Got your instruction packet and templates where you can put the holes in like your post or your wall or wherever you're going to be putting this outside. A lot of packaging. Nicely packed, actually. Got your cover, your lid. And here's your solar panel, antenna, hardware, a little hummingbird feeder, your spikes and more hardware, the spikes that go on for your fruit, charging cable, Allen wrench, solar panel mount, solar panel strap, and the antenna are in this box. Nice mounting bracket, heavy duty. Then we got the camera, the bird feeder camera. And then we got the perch. Which is right there. And I'm going to go ahead and put this together and see how it goes. It's like it'd be fairly simple to put together. This snaps right down on there. You take one of these, put it in there, screw it on. Roof's on. Antenna goes in the back. If you're using this bracket, if you're using the post mount, you're going to want one of these in there. You can use, you can either screw it, drill it in, put a strap through it, but you can fill it this way, and just, that does come off. Just twist. There you have it. It's all together. Now I just need to set it up with the manual. I forgot to add that These are little spikes you can screw in right here. For your fruit. And right here is your hummingbird feeder. That also just screws right in. Is your other spike. And you can put them here, 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 there, there, and there. Right here there's a rubber piece, and this comes off, and that's where your disc is. Where you can put your card. I don't know, can you see that? Right in there. So back here is a charging port. And your camera moves so you guys can adjust it. But there it is.